Alright, this is the Sony DCR-HC65 super steady shot handy cam. It's got a really cool Sony ECM HS1 shotgun mic. It's got a little bag for it. It's got the remote to control the camera, a spare battery, the charger, instruction manual, 2 memory sticks, and an AV cable. This is the little piece that fills in the slot that the microphone goes in when it's not in use. Camera is powered on. We can see that everything is working properly. All the different modes work. I don't have a MiniDV tape, so can't play anything, but there's absolutely no reason why that shouldn't work, because everything comes undone perfectly. And it goes back together. So a very nice MiniDV camera, and hope you enjoy.